The Silent Witness, a chilling murder mystery. The small town of Ravencrest, Montana had been quiet for decades, until the spring thaw revealed secrets buried beneath the frost. A single red shoe, preserved in ice, would unravel a mystery that had been suffocating the town for 25 years. Detective Eliza Morgan wasn't supposed to be working cold cases. Fresh from a transfer after a case gone wrong in Chicago, she was meant to be handling petty thefts and minor disturbances in sleepy Ravencrest. But when 12-year-old Tyler Harris discovered that red shoe while walking his dog by the lake, everything changed. The shoe belonged to Catherine Wells, a young waitress at the Bluebird Diner who had disappeared without a trace in the winter of 1999. 3 days into reviewing the case, Eliza discovered something the original investigators had missed. Catherine's diary contained coded entries that Eliza deciphered, revealing Catherine had been having an affair with someone identified. Checked the town records. She discovered that in 1999, the mayor's chief of staff was none other than Richard Hayes, now the current mayor of Ravencrest. When Eliza attempted to interview Mayor Hayes, she was immediately stonewalled. As she left City Hall, Eliza noticed a black Chevy sedan following her. That night, her apartment was broken into, but nothing was taken, except Catherine's diary. With the diary gone, Eliza tracked down Catherine's sister, Emma, who revealed that Catherine had been pregnant. When asked about the father, Emma hesitated before revealing it was someone who would lose. Desperate for evidence, Eliza and a junior officer discovered something buried near the lake using ground-penetrating radar. As they began to dig, the police chief arrived, ordering them to stop immediately. When Eliza refused, she was suspended. That night, the young officer who had helped her was found unconscious, his service Glock missing. Suspended and alone, Eliza returned to the lake that night. She dug where the radar had indicated, unearthing not one body, but 2 Catherine's remains and those of the former detective who had initially investigated the case. Hearing footsteps, Eliza turned to find Mayor Hayes holding the missing service weapon. He admitted that he had assigned her the case to control how it unfolded, thinking enough time had passed. As Hayes aimed the gun at her, Eliza revealed she was live-streaming everything. The truth was already out there. Before Hayes could react, police sirens wailed and the police chief emerged from the shed for the murders of Catherine Wells and Detective James Porter. 2 months later, as Catherine and Detective Porter were laid to rest properly, the police chief offered Eliza a permanent position heading a new cold case unit. As she placed flowers on Catherine's grave, Eliza noticed an elderly woman watching Catherine's mother, who had never given up hope. Some mysteries were meant to be solved, no matter how long they remained buried. And Eliza Morgan had found her true calling, giving voice to the silent witnesses of forgotten crimes. If you want more bone-chilling murder mysteries that will keep you guessing until the very end, hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications. The next chapter in Detective Morgan's story is coming soon, and trust